Hello everyone. In this video we'll solve a logical reasoning set which is kind of based upon arrangements. Question is, at a machinery tool production center, 5 out of the 8 procedure sets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are to be operated daily. On any day except for the first day of a month, only 3 of the procedure sets must be the ones that were operated on the previous day. So that means on all other days except for the first day of a month, we should have three procedure sets that should be operated, that must have been operated on the previous day. Reading further, the operating procedure must also satisfy the following conditions. So we have a few conditions as well. First one is, if procedure A is to be operated on a day, G cannot be operated on that day. So this set is also quite similar to the sets we have solved on selection, because when we are including something, we are excluding another thing. Second one is, if B is to be operated on a day, E must be one of the procedures to be operated after B. So this is a mixture of selection as well as arrangement, because we have to keep arranging one operation after the other, as well as we have to make sure if one procedure set is there, another should not be there according to these conditions. So let us go through the questions, then we can arrange all the data, answer the questions. First one is, which of the following is true of any day's valid procedure set operation? So we have to check all the options. Like the first option is A cannot be operated at third place, C cannot be operated at fourth place. Procedure set can be at these positions. Second one is, if the procedure set C and H are to be operated on first day, which of the following should be the other procedure sets on that day? So we have to make a procedure set on a particular day, keeping all these conditions in mind. Other questions are also regarding the same. So we'll start with the first one. We were given that we have to operate 5 procedures out of 8 daily. So first question is, which of the following is true for any day's valid procedure set operation? Let me read all the clues over here. First one is, if procedure A is to be operated on a day, G cannot be operated on that day. So we have to make sure we have 5 procedures. If I put A at the third place, after that we cannot have G. Second one is, if B is to be operated on a day, E must be one of the procedures to be operated after B. Third one is, if C is to be operated on a day, G must be one of the procedures to be operated after C. Now since if we include C, I will have to include G according to the third clue. I will not be putting them. Fourth one is, the last procedure to be operated on any day must be either D or F. So either we can have D or we can have F, keeping all other things the same. Now we clearly know that we cannot have G, we have A. Now all the conditions that we have, they are regarding procedure A, G, B, E, C, D and F. We have no conditions regarding procedure H. So at these 3 empty spots, we are given that if B is operated on a day, E must be one of the procedures after B. So if I put B, say at second position, I will have to operate E after B, and at this place, the first vacant place, I can directly put H because there is no condition given regarding H. Similarly, I can have B and E over here and H again over here. So we can see that this A can be operated at the third place. So this option is wrong first. Similarly, you have to check for option B. You will find out that this is also wrong. As soon as you come to option C over here, C cannot be operated at the fourth place. So let me try over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 operation. I'll put C at the fourth place to check whether it is possible or not. We were given that D and F have to be at the last. So either D can be at the last or F will be there at the last. Okay. So we'll have C over here. So we were given that if C is to be operated on a day, G must be one of the procedures to be operated after C. But we can see that after C we do not have any place where we can fit in G. So this is really not possible. C cannot be operated at the fourth place. So option C will be the correct answer. Similarly, you can check option D as well. It will also be wrong. Now the second question is, if the procedure sets C and H are to be operated on the first day, which of the following could be the other procedure sets on that day? So we know that we have to make spaces for 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since we can have D or F, any one in the end, so I'll make 2 cases. In one I'll put D and one I'll put F. We know that C and H must be there, so C and H will be there in both. Regarding C in the third one, if C is to be operated on a day, G must be one of the procedures to be operated after C. So after C we have to include G, we have no other option. G will be in both the cases. So we can see that in both the cases we have G included, but in this option G is not there, so this is not possible. Then similarly, if I look at option C, I have B included. If I am including B, E must be there after that. But if I include B in any of these two, I will have to include E as well, but there's no space for E, so this won't be possible. Similarly, if I look at option A over here, B, E, G, if I include B, I will have to include E as well, and E will come after B. So this is not possible because we do not have space for B and E both. If we look at option B over here, E, D, G. So yes, if I include E in both of these, the condition related to E was, if B is to be operated on a day, E must be one of the procedures to be operated after B. So that means if B is included, E will definitely be there after B. But this doesn't mean that if I am putting E first, then B will be after that. This is not the case. So I can put E and B does not need to be there after E. So option 2 will be the correct answer here. Let's try to solve the third one now. If the procedure sets operated on a day is A, B, H, E, F, then in each of the following options, what could be the next day's procedure set except? So we have A, B, H, E, F on a particular day. So if I assume that this is the last day of a month, so on the next day, that means the first day of a month, we were given that 3 operations must be similar to the previous day. So 3 of the procedure sets must be the ones that were operated on the previous day. So if I'm taking this as a last day, what could be the procedure on the first day? 3 have to be there. So we'll check all those options in which we have 3 common to operations of this day. So in option D we have H, E, F common and A is also common. So 4 are common, but 4 cannot be common. So this is impossible. Then H, C, G, E, F. So yes, H, E, F, only 3 will be common between last and first day. If I'm taking option B, then again we have B, H, E common. That means only 3 common. So yes, this is also possible. On the next day, B, C, G, E, F. So B, E, F, again only 3 are common. So since in option D, there are 4 operations that are being repeated, so this cannot be the case. So this will be the answer over here. This cannot be the next day's procedure. Last question is, if C is operated at third place in a sequence, which of the following procedure cannot be operated at the second place in that sequence? So I'll make 5 spaces over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is operated at third place. So I will have 2 cases because I can have D and F in the end. In one I'll have D, F, C. So these are 2 cases. So we're given that if C is to be operated on G, G must be one of the procedure to be operated after C. So we'll have G definitely over here. Now regarding G, we were given that if procedure A is to be operated on D, G cannot be operated on that day. So if G is being operated here, A cannot be here. So A cannot be here. Now if I go by options B, if B is operated on second day, relating to B we had, if B is to be operated on a day, E must be one of the procedures to be operated after B. So we need space for E, but we do not have any space for E if I am putting B at second place. So this is not possible. So I'll erase B from here. B will be the answer, but let us check other options as well. Can we have D and F at second place? Yes. In the first one I can have F over here. Here I can have D. So F and D are possible. Can I have E at the second place? Yes, we can have E. Why? Because we are given that if B is included, then E must be there after that. But when E is included, it doesn't necessarily mean that we have to include B as well. So yes, E can be at the second place. So only option over here is A. So A will be the answer to this question. So the only thing here is you need to think logically. You have to keep checking all the conditions. You should know how to properly understand each and every condition. Then such questions are not very tough. You can always go through options in these questions. You must have seen that I solved almost all the questions using options. So that's it. If there is any doubt in this set, please comment. Thank you.